Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and today FIFA, or whatever you want to call it, have released the headliners. We have the lowest player being 85 Demir Bay. He got Rashford 86, I love that. Dembele 86, Skriniar 87, Son 87, Striker, Sandro 89, Sané 88, Rice 88, Pogba 90. Now that is the card I'm going to try and get today. Let's go. This is going to be awesome. So these are the new headliner packs. We're going to get into open 10 and see if we can get some foot headliners. Let's do this. First one, the team of the week. Not a headliner. Pack isn't that good. Okay. Not going well so far. Oh, that's a headliner. Who is it going to be? It's got to be plus 86. It's 86. Hernandez. That's good. First headliner. Hernandez. Let's go. Guys, I'm not using the hack for this. I still have all the coins from the hack, but I'm not using the hack for this because I deleted some scripts and I can't remember what they were, and now I'm really dead. So let's just carry on opening packs. We've only got one so far, one headliner. Why do we keep getting Pickford? Come on, headliners. Okay, that Pogba would be nice. So far we've only got one. Okay, let's get... We only have like 3 left. This is a short video. What do we open after this to try and get the headliners? Oh, Willian, that's decent. And I still know walkout. These packs aren't that good. But the headliners, they're decent cards. Like, I love the card art on them, and now they're out of the store. So guys, I'm just gonna go and open some more packs, because I do have like 100,000 coins. Like, it's not gonna kill me if I spend them. Oh, wrong one. This is my old one. Okay, I'm going to try and get the hack going again so I can actually open some more of those headliner packs, because I opened all 10 of them and now they're gone. So I'm going to try and get the hack going. Give me a sec. Okay guys, the glitch did not work. I think I've just messed it up. Later I'll try to fix it, but I think I messed it up for now. Let's have a New Year's pack, see if we can get a headliner. Nope. We got Benzema instead. Let's get a special plus pack. Surely we can get a headliner. No. No, these packs are terrible. Let's go on to some holiday packs. Ooh, walkout, but it's not a headliner. Brazilian, it's probably from Liverpool. No, it's Paris Saint-Germain. Ooh, step forward, it's Neymar. It's Neymar! It's Neymar! 93! No! No, that's impossible. That is impossible. No. Nice. Guys, we just pulled Neymar Jr. What? Guys, I think I'm going to have to say goodbye after I open these Android packs. I think they've got a good chance of giving me headliners. Oh, that was a good pack. Let's go. Why is there no headliner? Yeah, guys, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about the glitch didn't work. Yeah, bye.